Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I just want to do a walkthrough through my folio I made with the Celebr8 captured in time. And let's start. Yeah, it's the front page and you've got your spine and the back. And then I've got a pocket on the front page which holds photos if you want to put photos in there. Okay, and then that's my front side. When you open it up, you've got your two sides, and we are going to start on the left side. Well, first of all, you've got a tuck spot. Open up with photos on there and a pocket with a little booklet. On the front you've got a tuck spot as well. And this complete thing can pull out to show a large photo. Then we have a waterfall that's closed, keeps it's magnetized, and you can have a lot of photos in there as well. Then the center, this side of the left side, you've got a little photo with a tuck spot, and then it opens up to the left and the right, and your photo keeps everything intact. Here we have just a little booklet with some photos, and once again a tuck spot in a pocket. In front here you've got once again a booklet to keep some photos, and this opens up like that. And once again your booklet and your tuck spot like that. Another waterfall. The range is stunning. I love this range. Okay, and then we move to the right side, and we have far right an opening like that, and then that goes up. Photos up there in a flap, and photos down here in a flap, and everything closes down. And then here on this side of the right side you've got another page in a page, and then it opens up to the left and it closes like that. And then you've got another booklet in a pocket with the tuck spot on top here and photos on the inside. Pocket. This opens up. Photos. Open up that side, and you've got a pocket on this other pocket, yes, with your little booklet. And once again, we've got the tuck spot here. And then we open up that, and that, and that, and everything pulls out. And you've got pockets. You can put even more photos in there if you like. These pockets go down to the bottom. And then we close everything again, that side first, then that, and I've got magnets to keep my album closed. There you go, everything's done. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel, and you will see all my albums I've made. Have a stunning day. Bye.